In this video, we're going to demonstrate setting up an online meeting via Google Meet and then sharing it using the webinar feature that Google Meet has built in. To get started, I've logged into my Google Calendar at calendar.google.com. Create a meeting by clicking the Create button at the top left of the screen. This will bring up a pop-up. Give the meeting a name. Select the approximate start time and date. On a note, you can still use this online meeting at a different time. Once the web link is generated, it's a permanent web link, so make sure the time's approximate. Then click Add Conferencing. Now this has added the Google Hangouts Meet to the calendar event. It allows up to 250 participants. Click the down arrow to add more conferencing details, and then click the button Add Livestream. Now in this pop-up window we have two links to make note of. The top one is the Google Hangouts Meet link. Now this allows participants to join and have a two-way conversation over Hangouts Meet. This bottom link, the Livestream link, simply allows people to watch the conversation or dial in, just like a webinar. So the Hangouts Meet link, this is the one you want to keep private, just for your team, and the Livestream link is one that you can share with the public so that they can dial in and watch. Google Meet also offers the ability to dial in via a phone number. By default, it shows the US phone number, but phone numbers for all countries are available by clicking the phone number button. So if we're dialing in from Australia, we've got a phone number and a PIN number. If we're dialing in from Canada, we've got a different phone number and a PIN number. So be sure to share these with your team if you think they need to use the telephone feature to dial in. I'll click Save on this meeting. And I've just gone back into my meeting settings. We'll click the Hangouts Meet, and that'll open a new tab in my browser to start the meeting. An important thing to note is that you can start this meeting at any time using the Google Meet link. The link is permanent, and you can reuse it even by using the same link in other events. And we'll join the meeting now. Because we've added a live stream to this meeting, Google is asking us to start the live stream. Before we start that, I'm just going to click back to the Calendar tab and look at what the public audience would be seeing before we start it. I'll copy that link address. So the public audience will be seeing this. We'll go back to our Google Meet, click Start Streaming. We'll wait for the stream to start. It's now live. I'm going to refresh this live stream tab, and the stream is now live. We can remove the live stream. Now be aware that if you decide to add a live stream after the meeting is created, the meeting ID will change. So if you have already shared this with people to join the meeting within your team, adding a live stream is going to change that link. That's all for live streaming and using Google Meet today. Like and subscribe below. We'll see you in the next video.